ladies and gentlemen, and school children, I wish to pay special tribute to the great statesman and leader Ratu Sir Josepha Lalabalavu Sukuna, whose name the school bears. We all agree that his legacy of discipline and ambition are qualities that we should emulate and which will inspire our personal development. 65 years after its establishment, it is noteworthy that we shall recall its history embedded in the annals of our history as a tribute to the great statesman, Ratu Sukuna. Ratu Sukuna Memorial School, or better known as RSMS, was established through a motion of the Lalabalavu Turanga, or the Great Council of Chiefs, to memorialize the gentleman who embodied a love for our Vanua, our nation, and our Turanga, and more importantly, our traditional traditions. Today, let us remember his legacy, his achievements, and renew once again our commitment to his vision that lives in the school, and we have come through its halls. Ratu Sukuna's vision lives on in the Native Land Trust Board, or the Tauke Land Trust Board, as it's known today, in the Tauke Affairs Board, or the Tauke Lands Commission. Ratu Sukuna's vision, as enhanced by successive governments, successive governments in the establishment of our Tauke institutions, including the establishment of Fijian Holdings, that is a flagship that embodies our collective status in venturing into economic development. And the Tauke Trust Fund Board. And this year, with the rebuilding and the re-establishment of the Lalabalavu Turanga. All these institutions are now undergoing a review or reform. Kemudian Turanga kinamarama na isolsoli. Bunga na nga sa pagkantilo ito pakata na Lalabalavu Turanga. So kimay mimbeka na doon makimay minamandigi. Ibilip tagi babanua. Kime bisandu sini, kime mi kodo-kodo. Kime minanumi, kime mga pakate kimami. Ibi nga kani barita, kubi barita kami kamani. Buona lewa huku, mata u Turanga, karapa tulakin na len Lalabalavu Turanga. E na vihang bagsao, ti mea saramengo, na keno kuisa ang itabuta ko itingango. Bunga na nareya u ni Lalabalavu Turanga. Na raya o na nonta Turanga kaya na marambal ni nonta Vanua. Nakuha lang nga may balitikanda na kau ito kay may pakaitu na yabu ni biyalalati ni kaya na solowiti pertania kaya na paskwalis na may wana marambal na Randy Sarambale, Queen Victoria. Sasuko talaga may nalewa. Na tambay na ibitu ni deed of session, sinayaw ni din natin, kaya nasulis may, ito ko na kinanamrambal na Arnaldo, Queen Victoria, ni kabitu, ni tuwa-tuwa, sulis may kinalewa, wikenda. Mendarawan ni inda po tuluwata ka. Nabika, ititipagikina, nabika, may balaitikenda. Doon na kao tamata, na kao ito kay. Tanda tigo babalangi, our rights to self-determination. Ko na unua ko sa wamuri mekina na reivo tutuwa na raturang balego. Meta pa menda po kayo ora may pinakataikin na nando vanua. Sa raliw takatingo na vida na iturang italay kira na nalinga ni Bingarabi na turang na kanala na chairman na iliuliu ni Trust Fund Board na bonua mendarawa ni Didiki no kenda pakate kenda. Ia ni oti na nona vivu ke pakandua nga na matanitu. Te umena ngona ni Garcia, sanga milion ya soli. Te bukina na nanda buke na kau ito kei. Lai didi na Tauke Trust Fund Board. Adi bawa tu kan doa nonton ngone, ditagi ngone anrana, kenan tahu toko ko na takatak bo. Pagkali bu na nona basu suyau, tampa tata itu ke, sana bi tampa nesor tu nanuma, sana ngali tikan tanang kau nongko. Dolengan ker-ker ngende ba mo bandeta. We must be clear on the ultimate aim of all these institutions, which is to ensure the well-being of the Tauke and all the people who will call Fiji home, and our beloved Fiji. As Ratu Sukuna worked all his life to do so. Wang santo warita tuoji, karavitabi tu, nangke me tapangano ng karavitabi, isa tapu ka talaga na ito yung nonda bulan na puro-puro ko. I hope that we will continue to be inspired by the late Ratu Sukuna's vision. The school's first principal was Mr. William Donnelly, who was initially the principal of Lelin Memorial School before retiring to New Zealand. He was recalled to Fiji and recruited as the first head of school of RSMS. Again, established initially for Itauke students, the school has diversified tremendously and remains a multiracial learning institution. Au wakasamataga ni Indo natural China ke mi bulibata. Apo mo no toko ko na kona. Pero sara may tonga matansinga o lope ti sini tuling kay lebi bu ke tonga ni daw ni Bingarabi na loma ni valitui na tura tu tonga. So ni Christmas may tonga ka libsa na via sebiti kara may baita karabuli talaga na nonda korubuli bi baro tengo. Ladies and gentlemen, especially to the Ratu Sukuna Bulioti community or alumni, the journey from 1960 when Ratu Sukuna Memorial School was opened by the late Turambale na Bunibalu, Ratu Sir George Cantabile Zakambao, to today, I encourage you to take lessons learned throughout the 65 years and develop approaches to improve and strengthen the school's learning processes. As alumni, you have the opportunity to give back to the school that formed part of your secondary education. I encourage continued dialogue and networking amongst yourselves and as well as with external partners to develop pathways for the school and for its students. I understand that the celebrations are taking place among members and friends of RSMS, alumni associations, in other parts of the world. I take this opportunity to especially acknowledge all the alumni who have traveled from around the globe to be in Fiji to rekindle friendships and simply to enjoy the comradeship of old and new friendship circles. Before I conclude, I share with you all what I had said earlier this week when I met the former scholars of RSMS, friends and their family members at our State House. And that is, to be successful in life, there are things that we must remember. One, and which is most important, is our faith. Obedience to our parents, and the pursuit of greatness through education. Ladies and gentlemen, with those few words, I wish you all a very successful Blue Sapphire 65th anniversary celebration, and may God bless you all. May God bless Fiji. Dhanyavad. Pinawaliaku.